So as you guys saw in the previous video, the fight between Samiksha and Nityam. So let's see who wins the fight. As you guys can see, Samiksha won the fight and Nityam as usual lost the fight.
Next day, and I'm feeling super fresh today, and I'm learning graphic designing nowadays. So because my college and my studies are not started yet, so I'm trying to learn some new things, and my sister is sitting right over here, and she's accompanying me to have a productive day. How my logo looks. There are difference between these two semicircles which I have to improve, but I try to make similar, but it's not that similar. But yeah, I'll try to do my level best in my next logo. I used to watch videos how to do graphic designing, so I know the basics of it, but I never tried it on PC. I'm just learning how to do, because I don't want to go in that field, but I just want to have basics of it. So yeah, you can also give it a try if you have a PC. You can learn graphic designing. It's hard, but it's not that hard because I was able to do that. Guy whose channel name is Graphic Designing Hindi mein, so I used to watch his videos. So if you're planning to learn graphic designing, so you can go and check his channel. It's so simple. He teaches in such a beautiful manner. So if you're planning to learn graphic designing, you can go and see his videos. I'll just link his videos in description box below, so you can also go and see. So yeah, I'm just going to take a shower right now, so I'll meet you guys later. गाइज, अभी हम लोग क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे और बीच में ही नमन भैया को लग गया, जिसकी वजह से उनको ब्लीडिंग हो रहा है. सो आई जस्ट शो यू.
अरे काटो के कारण नहीं जल रहा था मैं, इसलिए
दैट वाज द क्विक अपडेट एंड वी आर कंटिन्यूइंग टू प्ले गेम, एंड आफ्टर दैट I'll just do some art thing, and yeah, I'll show you what I'm going to do, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Currently going to buy some chips in my nearby store, so let's go. Guys, we bought some snacks and Swastika is taking the U-turn and I'm waiting for her. Currently it's 6 o'clock. Just wait, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. So yeah, it's 6 o'clock currently and I have planned to do a prank on my brothers. So basically I'm going to tape the doors, means जो डोर के दो डोर्स के बीच का जगह होता है, वो दो जगह को मैं टेप कर दूँगी एंड देन मैं चिल्लाऊँगी नित्यम भैया, एंड वो भागते भागते भी नहीं आएगा, चल कर आएगा एंड वो सेलो टेप से चिपक जाएगा. सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी फन प्रैंक. सो या, लेट्स डू दैट. सो पहले मेरे को सेलो टेप लगाना पड़ेगा. सो लेट्स गो. नित्यम भैया सुनो ना, अरे एक मिनट जल्दी आ. अरे जल्दी एक मिनट आओ ना, एक सेकंड नहीं आ सकते क्या? यार गया समझ गया यार क्या हुआ क्या हुआ what a fail prank it was. So yeah guys, it's currently 7 o'clock and we decided to go for a long drive and we are over here. Now we are currently at this place, we don't know what it's called, but yeah, we are here and we are clicking photos. It's such an amazing place. A lot of trees over here in a line and yeah, we are just clicking photos. So I'll just show you the view of we are going back into our car and we have planned to go on a beach. So yeah, I'll take you guys with me.
ये गाने बजाओ ना गाने बजाओ बैक करके
So yeah guys, we have finally reached beach and the view is so pretty, but we have missed the sunset, but we can see the moon and it's pretty. So I'll just show you the view. And we are just clicking some photos. I am taking all the precautions. I have worn mask, but because I am recording, I just remove my mask for a second. So yeah guys, it's currently 11 p.m. and I asked you guys on my Instagram that what are your assumptions for me. So some of you asked me some questions, so I'm just going to reply those questions. So let's get started. First question is, what is your weirdest fantasy? So basically I don't have any fantasy kind of thing, but yeah, I don't have any fantasy kind of thing. Second question was, you love animals more than people. So no, it's not like that. I don't like animals that much. I only like dogs little bit and I don't like so much animals. So yeah, it may be people. Next question was, मुझे लगता है आप बहुत चिढ़ते हो, ये क्या सच है? So yeah, ये सच है, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा चिढ़ती हूँ और ये क्वेश्चन मेरी बहन ने पूछा है मुझे. So yeah, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा चिढ़ती हूँ और मुझे वो चीज़ पे कंट्रोल करना है, but let's see. होगा वो धीरे धीरे होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वॉज, यू गॉट पियर्सिंग्स? नो, आई डेंट हैव एनी पियर्सिंग एक्सेप्ट माई ईयर पियर्सिंग, सो विच इज compulsory for girls to do. So I only have ear piercing and I don't have any piercing on my body. So yeah, that was all the questions you asked me. And if you don't follow me on my Instagram, go and follow me because I put a lot of polls for my YouTube channel. But yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys would have enjoyed this video. If you have, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to my channel below. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and be happy. Bye.